Hey Gamechangers! Welcome to my channel. How's your journey towards the perfect decision? Are you indecisive? Or do you make decisions fast? I have a message for you. Something that helped me, something that I successfully incorporated. This is a strategy called 40-70 rule. It was invented by former Secretary of State Colin Powell. A respected and a well-known leader. How does it work? It's really simple. Never make a decision if you have less than 40% information available, and at the same time, don't wait till you have more than 70% of information to pull a trigger. Less than 40% of information is just guessing. But what might be surprising for you, having more than 70%, it's delaying. And you know what? Most great leaders in the organization, they understand the importance, they understand the key factor of perfect timing, of the right timing. It's really important. The 40-70 rule is a two-way approach for decision making. First, you need to analyze the percentage of accuracy. Colin Powell introduced a formula where P stands for probability. Probability between 40 and 70%. And the number here indicates the information that you gathered. And the number indicates how much information do you possess. I know this might be challenging. I know it's hard to judge, but you need to practice. So, in order to identify the range that you fall, you need to ask yourself a question. How much information do I have? And then you will know whether you fit into this range. And the second thing here is to trust your gut instinct, is to trust your intuition. I know it's challenging, you need to practice, but you can master it. And guys, please remember, there are many doors that are open, but they are open just for a limited period of time. If you don't take action, if you won't take action, you will lose the opportunity, you will lose the chance, and you know what? The door will close. So please, keep it in mind, try to think about this rule, practice it, think about it every time that you need to face a tough decision. I keep my fingers crossed, thank you. Please try it, act in this way every time you face a hard decision. Act in a way so you won't regret. Be a leader. Guys, act like a leader.